here. So anyway, okay. So pandas, what are we going to use with pandas? Look, pandas is used for opening files. Look, I'm actually opening this file. Can you see airline? What did I do? You do, okay, let me just be very basic. Look, usually you do this. You do pandas read CSV. And then you write the name of the file that you want to read. Usually it completes like that. Now look. Okay. I have to go up there to make sure it is defined. Here. Oh no. Okay. Let me see. What's wrong here? Do I need to do this? Okay, that's fine. So pandas is used for reading files and manipulating so many things in the data. All this data crunching will be done in pandas. If, for example, if you see this column and you don't like it, you want to remove it, you can drop it. You want to delete something, you can do just using pandas. So now look, I said pandas.read CSV. But then I realized that pandas is a long word, pandas. I want to make it shorter. So what do? I write here, import pandas as PD. So I'm telling the computer that if I type PD, you should assume I said pandas. So now if I go back, pandas will not work anymore. It's going to be PD. Don't worry, it's still working. But don't worry about that. So I'm going to use PD instead of pandas. Look. PD is working now. Okay, good. Now I want to open 5 only rows. I don't want to open everything. Look, how many rows I have? I have 300,000, 18,000. Yeah, 318,000 rows. So what I want to do, I just want to open 5 of them. What do? But you have to know these things. Look. So if you want to open the top 5, you do this head. You do head like that. You only show you 5. You see, this is 5. Now I'm thinking, oh, writing this big line is too much. I need to make it shorter. So how do I solve it? Okay, we will solve it. Well, let's check. After 40 minutes, this will shut down. You just quickly need to rejoin, yeah? So 2 minutes remaining. Okay, now for example, if I want only to take one column to check it properly, I want to check the year, for example. Okay, I want to check the year. So what do? Delete this. I'm going to put year here. Now look, it's only showing me the years. It's not showing me everything. What if I want to know what is the most recent year? I mean, the biggest number out of these. I'll do this dot max. Shows you 2022 is the maximum year that we have. Okay, how about the minimum? Okay, you do minimum. That's 2003. So everything is from 2003 to 2022. What if I want everything shown quickly here? I'll do describe. Describe. I hope it works, yeah? I hope. Oh, alhamdulillah, look. So it's telling me the data is 300,000. The mean is here. Standard deviation, minimum 2003. This one is called the interquartile range. I think you know statistics. And this is the maximum. So you've seen everything. So now I'm thinking to myself, why am I writing this full line? It's too much work. The whole line here and then adding something here. I want to write something short. So what I do, I will assign the whole thing into a variable. I'm going to call the whole thing by a short name. I'm going to call it df. So what did I do? Look, from PD here until here, I saved here. I said df. So if I write df, it's the same as writing the whole line. So now I go to the next cell. If I do df dot carrier name, career name is going to show me everything in that column here. When you're training, you are, I'm sorry, sometime when I log back in, I forget to record. Was I recording earlier before this one? I'm not sure. So whatever recording I record, I'll send it to you. Okay. So here he decided to choose some features. So these 6 things to be affecting the delay. And the target is air delay. So once you define those features, you come here, you split the data. So he split the data into 20%. So 20% of the data is kept, is not used for training. Only 80% is used. So now here, look, he's doing X train, Y train. So he's training, the training has happened here. After that, he's double checking whether it's performing. So as you can see, he's getting 95. They call it R squared. So it's good. The training has done well and it's predicting very well. We can do it next week, inshallah, and do the training and show you how to predict. So given a number of flights, given the carrier name and the weather, you can actually find out whether a plane is going to be delayed. So he evaluated his model and he tested, but anyway, he should elaborate more. This is his result. So now I would like to help you at least today to have achieved something. So if you have a problem with Git, if you show me your screen, I'll help you until Git works for you.
Mine, I already pushed it, the
Oh,
notebook.
you pushed it. You pushed to the GitHub.
Yeah,
And it worked. Did you do Git push? It worked.
the GitHub, yeah.
Okay,
Yeah,
so what was the
yeah,
problem? Was
it
it
worked.
what was the problem? Because now your solution can help
Yes.
others.
Okay, the problem is I had two notebooks. One was
Yeah,
blank,
yeah,
and the other one was the one which had the notes.
yeah,
So I had pushed the other one instead
yeah.
of this one.
Oh no, at the beginning when there was another person contacted me, uh, they said that the problem is to authenticate the email and password. How did you authenticate? Go-
Uh, Basically, when I did commit it, it
Yeah.
did tell me to log into the GitHub
So
and
you just
authenticate. You just write your GitHub username and your password.
you write it on the command line.
Yeah, yeah,
On the command line you write it, yeah, and then it works. Okay, so let me go
yeah.
check your file now. Let me check your file. Okay, you've got the. I'm gonna check your link is still here. Let me see. Or does it disappear? Let me see. I can see. Let me go back. Yeah, okay. Let me click on the link and check. Okay, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Okay. Oh, I can see now. Yeah, 50. Yeah, Jazakallah khair. Okay, I'm opening your notebook to see what you did. So, what's his name? Afzal, do you wanna do you want me to help you now to upload your notebook?
I'll try doing mine.
Do you have are you logged into your laptop?
Mine can't work for now. I'm using my brother's.
Okay, so your laptop is not working. Okay. So anyway, do
Yeah.
it please later. If you need help, write in the group. The others can help you. Yeah. Okay, Khadija, I can see. Yes. So Khadija, start now thinking about anything interesting that you can, some interesting graphs that you can draw here. You can also use Seaborn. So let me send you Seaborn link. I found it to be very good. I go there as well. I ask my question for different things. I get answers. Okay, here. Seaborn looks more beautiful if you draw with it, but you can draw so many graphs. Okay, with our data, I can quickly now ask AI will draw something. Now let me just try a few things now using AI because I've already installed Seaborn. Now I wanna try something here. Okay, we can try for like 5-10 minutes and you will enjoy the beauty it will produce. Okay, 1 second. So actually, we know when I record my videos, your name are visible here. Shall I block them or is it okay?
It's fine. It's okay.
Okay, but
It's
I'll
okay.
try if I can to put something on top of it. Yeah, it's just you attend the class, that's all, yeah? Okay, so
Okay.
okay, let me ask now. Look, I'm gonna come here. I'm gonna ask AI to give me some stuff. But later, you still need to try to understand the actual command. For example, like the way I broke down the code, did it help? Was useful, right? I broke down the code,
Well,
and did it make you understand?
yeah, it was understandable.
Yeah, but at the beginning, it was complicated when it was like long, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so now what I'll do, I'm gonna upload the actual data here to get what I'm gonna do with 1 second. Uh, okay, yeah. I'll upload this quickly so that I get some idea. Usually, I never had AI before, but now, Alhamdulillah, look, give me some interesting plots with C bone. Okay, look what I'm doing. Yeah. Now, look, I'm gonna use all the command they give me, and you will enjoy it. Astaghfirullah. I hope it works. Yeah, it's gonna work. And also, it could be something you yourself found interesting. So we want to know the relationship distribution here. Okay, joint plot. So you see density, outliers, and correlation in one view. Okay, let's good. Let's have a look at this. So I'm gonna take this and do it right now, and you will see something amazing. Look. Oh, astaghfirullah. It's not based on our data. Wait. This is not based on our data. Actually, this is their own data. This is like about restaurant and the bills. It's very famous data. You train in machine learning. Okay, let me see. Oh no. No. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna tell him. Based on my data, please. I hope it's so my data. Oh, yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna do this. Look. And you will really enjoy to see this. Okay, let me show you. So here, here, I'm going to delete this and replace it. Okay, now let me explain. Do you understand this code? Look, here, what are they doing? Carrier delay, weather delay, NAS delay. They look at all the delays and they're taking the sum, which we did before, the sum. So now, total delay and cause. Total delay and cause. So they want to make into two columns. So cause, total delay. So this is what they did. Look. We said the least was security before, right? Was it? Yeah. See, it's almost non-existence. And okay, look. With here, this one is just a table, right? This one is a table of name of the name and the number. It's only two column. This one. If you wanna see it, okay, just to have a look. Let's have a look at this. How it looks like. So I always have see your names here, but okay, here. So I come here to just show you what it looks like. Yeah. Look. Okay. So delay causes. Look, this is a table like this because you are grabbing the sum all the time. When you say reset, it means it doesn't show column name. Okay. So now after that, what is it doing? He said this. Delay causes dot columns. You only want the columns. Oh, so you're naming the columns, yeah. By doing this, he's actually naming the columns. And then here, now you're just plotting. That's fine. Done. Okay. Let AI give us another one. Why this matter? It strips away excuses. You see immediately where the airlines, whether operation are to blame. You're checking who's to blame. Okay. So now, which airline delays the most? Now you do this. As you can see earlier, we did with the matplotlib. Now we're doing it with Seaborn. Seaborn is more interesting. Look. Okay, Seaborn is more interesting. Okay, so as you can see, it looks better a bit, yeah. Now let's go to seasonality by month. So okay, this cut through volume bias. Big airline do not get a free pass. This one, if delays spike every summer or winter, it is not an accident. It's poor planning. So now look. Let's see. Oh, yeah, yeah. June. Yeah, it shows you that. Okay, so now I think no one needs help. Uthman, how is it? Okay, Uthman, I haven't asked him anything about how he's doing. Uthman, Abul Qasim.
Now,
Yeah, yeah. So what's happened? How did you find it?
finding good, but somehow it should be lost. No, since I wasn't there since the first class, that's why I'm
So you,
plotting.
so you need to watch the videos, inshallah.
Inshallah.
Yeah, you need to watch the video, inshallah, and everything should be fine. So anyway, we will next week. I hope we don't have much absence next week because if people are absent and they fall back, then it's going to be difficult. Next week, I'll try to finish training on linear regression, and then later you can decide whether you like machine learning or whether machine learning is too hard for you. Usually, it depends on knowing, being very good in statistics.